Changing SIN. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to change SIN after eCOPR. So let's get started. First, collect the required documents, proof of new permanent resident status such as your eCOPR or any official PR document, then proof of your identity, for example, your passport or any valid ID, proof of a name change only if it applies to you, for example, a marriage certificate or court order, your current SIN card letter if you already have one, and original documents plus certified translations if any papers are not in English or French. Then visit a Service Canada office, go to your nearest office location and inform them that you need to update your SIN record. Give the representative all the required documents mentioned before. They will verify your information and process the update. After everything is updated, you will receive a new SIN confirmation, either as a printed letter or updated SIN document. This serves as official proof that your SIN has been updated with your new PR status. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.